Hello world, welcome to ST35 CareerEd's Check the Status of a New Employer Submission on myWEX video. To start, we will get on to myWEX, and there's two ways you can get to see what the status is for an employer that you've submitted. One, up here, Employer Workflow. Two, down here, Employer Workflow. They take you to the same place. Alright, so we can see here we've got a number of employers that have been added in and a few different statuses. So we can see that this is submitted under review. This means that this was probably recently submitted in the last couple days, and we haven't had a chance to look through it and make a decision on if we're adding it to the database and allowing placements to be made there. As you can see here, these placements are all active and approved, so they're visible by anyone in the district, and they also will allow placements from anyone in the district. Down at the bottom, here are some employers that didn't cut it. It could be reasons that their documentation was not in place. It could be that they do not have WorkSafe coverage. It could be that we found they don't meet the criteria, or they failed their the worksite inspection. So there's a number of different reasons that it could be there, and we would communicate with whoever submitted this submission to us and let them know why we can't approve it at that time. So if you want to take a look at more details, you can click on the details. You will be able to read anything in any of the sections of the employer, but at this point in time, you won't be able to edit anything. If you do need to edit it, check how to change a newly submitted employer video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and that's how you check the status of a new employer submission on mywex.ca. Don't forget to follow us.